Welcome back to Journey Road Studios. We are all things AI, geared towards small businesses, entrepreneurs, and freelancers. Today, we're going to tackle content, not in the way that you think, a simple tool that's going to make your life so much easier if you're not already using it. A lot of us use content that we're finding from sites like Gemini, Ideogram, and others. They come back with a pesky little watermark. Today, I'm going to show you how to get rid of that watermark. We're going to go to Gemini. From there, we're going to generate an image. After that, I'll take you over to Canva. It is their pro subscription, which everyone in our category should definitely utilize. And then we're going to use their Magic Eraser tool to simply take the watermark out. Stick around to see how it all turns out. You'll be amazed at how simple this is and makes your business appear much more professional. All right, here we go. Create an image of a futuristic looking robot. Okay, so this is the free version again, so you don't have to pay for this. You're just going to Google Gemini. Here's my image. And all we're going to do today is, like, if you're creating content or media for your business, you can use this tool to get some images really quickly, but you are going to have their watermark right here. So what you want to do now is just download this. Have that downloaded. I'm going to go into this tab right here. This is Canva, and I have the Pro Canva. I would recommend anyone in business or freelancing, or if you're an entrepreneur, or if you're just doing tasks where you're creating digital assets. Such a great tool, and every week they're literally updating their AI components so that you can create more. All right, so next, you can open anything. I'm just gonna go to print. All right, and this is the last image we just downloaded. I'm gonna open it. It's gonna load right over here. Okay, here's our image. Everything is moving so slow. Okay, here we go. We click on this image here. And what we're trying to do is just get rid of this little tool. Not tool, it's watermark. Okay, so I'm gonna come, I clicked on the image is highlighted. We're gonna go to edit. This is our match, and this comes with Pro. I'm pretty sure they have trials, I'm gonna click on this next. This is the brush size. So you see how big the circle is? I don't need that. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. And now I'm just gonna hover right over this little diamond and erase. And there you go. Now our image is free of that watermark that's there, and you can choose to put your own watermark here for your business, or if you're a freelancer for your client. Okay, that's it. Just a very quick tutorial as promised, showing how you can use Canva's AI Magic Erase tool to get rid of those watermarks, since we're all using these AI generated media clips and pieces for our business. So guys, let me know, what do you think the next video tutorial should be for this channel? What would most help you on the AI tools that we've already covered? I'll see you on the next video. Until then, please like, share, and subscribe.